Now we will see how to apply the basic operations of mathematics in Excel. For the brackets we use the symbol this. For exponential function, now here also, because you cannot see the terms clearly, I'll just double click on this toolbar here so that all the data automatically fits, or this arranges the length of the cell or the width of the cell according to the requirement. For the brackets we use this sign. Exponential term is, you can say, shift cap. There is this arrow over there. Division you can find on the question mark tab. Multiplication is shift 8. This is the star sign. For addition you use the tab on the left side of the backspace. On subtraction you use the tab which is on the towards second left of the backspace. Now to get the value of 9 minus 3 asterisk 2, suppose I want to enter the value of this term in the cell. I'll click on the cell, write equals. Now you want to put the value of 9 minus, so just click on these tabs. 9 minus 3 star is shift 8, then 2, enter. This will give you the required result. If you go to next step, click on equals. Inside the bracket is shift 9 and shift 0. Inside the bracket you put 9 minus 3, close the bracket, shift 0, asterisk is shift 8, then is 2. Enter the number, you will get the answer. Go to the next step. 3 plus 2 raised to 4, 2, then shift 6 raised to 4 minus 9 over 3, 9 over 3. If you enter, you'll get the result. I did not put equal to, that is the reason we did not get the answer. So I'll just erase this, backspace, put equal signs first. If you will not put the equal signs, it will not show you the calculated value. 3 plus 2 raised to 4, 2 shift 4 minus 9 over 3. If you put enter, it will give you the result. Equals 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4 over 2. Enter to get the result. Inside the bracket you have 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4, bracket close, over 3. Press enter. Again I did the same mistake. I did not put equal to. Put equal signs over there, bring it back, enter, gives you the result. Similarly, if I want to calculate area of a carpet whose length in meter is given as 3 and width in meter is given as 2, I can just address the cells to get the result. Because I want to write area over here, click on the cell, write equal to. Now I'm going to multiply it using cell address. Whatever is the value in the cell, it automatically operates on that. Excel has the capacity to select the cell and operate on that basis. Inside the bracket, because I want to multiply this cell, so I'll click on this cell. For multiplication, shift 8, and then whatever is there inside this cell, so click on this cell. Automatically, if you press enter, Excel will read it out. 3 times 2 is 6, so we can just verify it as this. I want to obtain area. For writing area, click on the cell to the place where you want to write the area. Area equals pi. You know the value of pi is 3.14. Area is pi r square, area of a circle. If I want to calculate with the radius given 2.5, I'm going to use the cell address for that. Equals pi is 3.14 pi times r. For the r, I'm using the cell address again, pi r square, or inside the bracket, or I'll just put cap sign square, then 2, enter. This will give you the area, or you can just put bracket for this r and then cap 2 can also be done. Suppose you're using this exponential function y equals 2 to the power x to calculate the value of y. Click on the cell where you want to obtain the value. Equals y equals 2 to the power x. X is 10. We are using cell address again. 2 to the power shift 6 x. Instead of x, I am using the cell address and then enter. This gives you the answer. Now here I'm going to use this formula to calculate the value of r and I. Click on the cell where you want to obtain the value. Click on equals CBR. Equals CBR is this value. Cell address, using the cell address, minus using the next cell address, over 10. If you click on enter, Excel will automatically calculate the value for you. Now, using autofill, how to obtain the values. Suppose you have some number of cakes sold and you want to obtain the profit using this formula 2C, where C is the number of cakes sold. This is 1, this value is suppose 2, then is 3, next is, to bring the cell down we will click on the down arrow, so 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the number of cakes sold. We want to obtain the profit here using the cell address and the autofill. So equals 20 times C, 20 times. Instead of C, I am using the cell address. 20 times C equals, just a moment please, click on the cell where you want to obtain the value, equals 20 times 4 times, I'll click on shift 6, 20 times, then the cell address, 20 times C, minus 100. If you click on enter, it will give you the value. Select the cell again. On the right hand corner you will see a small square. If you click on that square, it has the plus sign. When you bring the cursor over there and you bring the cursor down, select the whole region where you want to make the calculation. This gives you the calculated value using the formula 20C minus 100 for the number of cakes sold, or the profit for all the cells can be obtained automatically using the autofill. This small box is called autofill. If you click on that and scroll it down, it will calculate the value using cell address and all the calculations will be done automatically using Excel.